Omkareshwar, where Om became Shiva. What if the sound of Om was actually Shiva himself? On an island where the Narmada splits like a trident lies Omkareshwar, the Jyotirlinga shaped like Aum. Here, sages say, the eternal sound Aum merged into one and took form as Shiva's presence. It's said that even thinking of Omkareshwar cleanses karma. Chanting Om Namah Shivaya here is like touching the divine. Omkareshwar isn't just a temple. It's the proof that Om is not a symbol. It's a living presence. Would you visit the place where Shiva breathes through sound? Comment your favorite Shiva mantra and follow Anantakatha for weekly drops of divine wisdom. Let this divine vibration awaken someone today.